Here we come to the elevator at the Pima Community College downtown campus in Tucson, Arizona. I'm not sure what kind of elevator this is, but it looks like it's been modernized. Oh, and I barely even have to push the button for it to come. I think it's a Dover. Bell does not work. Let's get our cab view. This is a Montgomery, modernized by Dover. Anyways, oh, ThyssenKrupp actually. Montgomery. Let's ring the bell. Bell does work actually. Alright. This was done by Arizona Elevator, capacity 2,500 pounds. I didn't know they existed in the 2000s. This actually might be a Dover. It says EPCO Fixtures. Let's ring the bell. Very quiet. We got EPCO Fixtures. This thing is awesome even though it's been modded. Got Dover traditional fixtures, EPCO for fire service, EPCO SurvivorPlus vandal resistant fixtures. Door closed when you push the button. Very nice cab. Originally Montgomery, modernized by Dover. Here on one. Very nice. Got the vandal resistant lantern. Anyways, here it goes. And that's it.